कभी इतनी आर्मी एक जगह पे नहीं देखी है. The 57-year-old man could name every one of them perfectly. That doesn't happen. That doesn't happen.
Elon Musk का communist name. Continuous घूम रहा है उसके अंदर.
नहीं आ रहा.
Just continuous train.
मैंने भगा दिया. Okay, all right. Idea of Bangtan because of my sister. She was my inspiration. She was my motivation. Like I remember the first day she heard BTS का एक गाना which was like, I think she heard Euphoria for the first time, and she was like the changed person. वो 3 minute के गाने ने like the whole thing changed. Everything changed. Like I could see her grow up. And at that time I thought like if one song can do this to a person, I don't know what, a space, like if I provided her with a space where she can be herself and be with people that she love, which is armies and everything, तो वो क्या कुछ नहीं कर सकती है. So that was the whole, like that was my idea. I wanted to create a space for armies. Nothing but love and support. Like that is, I think, the rarest thing a K-pop fan gets. It's all hate. I've seen it. I've actually seen it. I've seen hate like inside a family, because my sister and me, when we started following K-pop or we became an army, we had the backlash. We had to face backlash not from anybody else but from my family. Like my relatives used to say, oh, they're crazy. Oh, they don't know what is happening, and like the hate starts from inside. तो outside तो you cannot even see, like इनको पता नहीं क्या कुछ नहीं बोला जाता है and all that. तो armies को भी वैसे ही बोला जाता है. I've seen girls come and tell me, अरे मुझे स्कूल में bully किया जाता because I support K-pop. So all I can say is, if you get good food or not, I don't know, but you will definitely get like people can understand you. I think within, I'm not promising anything, but I can for damn sure say that within 6 months we will have one more branch opening in Mumbai, which will be anywhere close to Bandra or Santa Cruz, like maybe Andheri, and the city would be either it would be Calcutta or Chennai for sure. I've opened a cafe about all 7 of them, so I'm OT7 obviously. Favorite song, not too difficult, it's Spring Day, no doubt, Spring Day. And I really like Serendipity, Euphoria, Epiphany and Magic Shop. Like these are like my favorite, but Spring Day, no doubt. Spring Day should be like the, I don't know, हमारा anthem रहना चाहिए. Not wanting to leave would be one. Actually, I've had an army stay over. She stayed over at my place. She came from Gujarat. तो उसको रिटर्न निकलना था यहाँ से about 5 o'clock, ताकि वो 9 बजे तक वापी के साइड पहुँच जाए. बट she did not leave because यहाँ पे इतने armies थे, they were dancing and everything. She lost track of time and it was 8 o'clock. And she told me, Di, I cannot go home now. I live in Vapi and I've traveled all by myself. So I had to, I spoke to her mom और मैंने बोला, it's okay, no problem, I'll keep her with me. Next day सुबह बस पकड़ाया, वो घर पे चली गई. Oh, the crying. Okay. So when the cafe was made, 1 महीने की अंदर की बात है. Suddenly it was like 8:39 in the night. बहुत busy था मेरा cafe, and a uncle walks in, and he goes straight to the picture, and he cries like a baby, almost above 55, and he stands there and he cries. And my waiter comes out and he's like, there's a man standing in front of the photo crying. I don't know what to do. So can you just go and see what happened? So I went and I was like, so what happened? Why are you crying? He's like, nothing. I miss my granddaughter. Like, she's an army. And whenever she used to be over his house, she used to listen to BTS. And then they had a fallout. The parents and the grandfather had a fallout. तो उसके बाद he couldn't see his granddaughter anymore. तो when he came, he saw this Bangtan chefs का वो, तो पहले BTS देखा उन्होंने. He came in, he stood there and he cried like I don't know. He cried so much that I couldn't even make him stop. 7-year-old man could name every one of them perfectly. That doesn't happen. That doesn't happen. My dad supports my sister. अगर तुम सबका नाम बोलने बोलोगे ना उनको नहीं आएगा. But the grandfather knew all the names. Nothing is impossible. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, I think my sister could do it too. And she could do it better than me. Like she was in army much before I was. But my only advice for everybody or whoever is opening is do your research, because you are representing a country in another country which is on itself a very big deal. You are sitting in India and representing Korean boy band. You are in India representing Korean cuisine. You are going to get support from people who understand you. Don't force yourself to accept the fact कि सब लोगों से मिलेगा. कोई तुमको नहीं सपोर्ट करेगा, कोई तुमको बहुत सपोर्ट करेगा. सो यू हैव टू बी रेडी फॉर दैट. उसके लिए पहले तो तुमको यू हैव टू बी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट. सेकेंडली, if you are opening something which is related to BTS, your main and at most focus should always be for the armies, because I personally feel if there is no army, there is no BTS. That is what they say also. If there is no army, there is no BTS. To be very flexible. You have to be flexible with everyone. You will also get people who support only one of them or who will support some other group. So as in my cafe, I always said it's a K-pop cafe. It's not just for BTS or it's for BTS or only BTS. You have to be open for everyone, because Korea mein there's not one boy band. There are several and everyone is as good as everyone. There's a girl who came all the way from Mathura and she entered और मेरा ये बंद होने वाला था, तो सब लोग एक दूसरे को हक कर रहे थे. And she entered and she started crying. She started crying so much. She's like, मैंने कभी इतनी आर्मी एक जगह पे नहीं देखी है. मैं इतना खुश हूँ. मैं आज यहाँ पे आके इतना खुश हूँ. It was like, और हाँ, उसके बाद हम लोगों ने 1 घंटा, मैंने पूरा शटर नीचे किया, मैंने पूरा बंद कर दिया था और मैंने 1 घंटा और कैफ़े खुला रखा मैंने सबको रुकाया. जितनी आर्मीज घर पे जा रही थी मैंने सबको रुका. मैंने बोला शी हैज़ कम फ्रॉम सो फार, वी ऑल हैव टू बी सपोर्टिव ऑफ हर शोइंग अप हियर. दैट इज़ लाइक द बिगेस्ट थिंग. तो वी कैन एटलीस्ट डू दैट मच. तो सब आर्मी रुके भी थे. इमोशनल सपोर्ट दैट यू हैव टू गिव टू अ आर्मी इज़ यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड. कि अगर कोई तुमको नहीं समझ रहा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ समवन इन योर फैमिली, योर फ्रेंड्स, योर सोसाइटी और एनीबॉडी, इफ दे आर नॉट understanding you, it doesn't matter. You just have to look for the right person who can understand you, and you can always like find the right person here in Bangtan Chefs. This is not a cafe or restaurant or whatever. We are trying to build a community. Hopefully someone someday comes to me and like, मैंने आपका Love Carnival में देखा था and I really want to talk to you, and that would be like my achievement. Oh yeah, I always wanted to take this but I did not, because मुझे लगा कि कोई कोई आएगा और कोई लेगा. Crash landing on you. I have seen this so many times. Okay, then once you gym in, you can't gym out. This was lovely. ये दो is like my favorite. And the posters that I got. Posters, they're gonna go up there. Okay. I was serving food and मैं mat लेने गई and this girl went, hey, hello. यहाँ पे चम्मच नहीं है मेरे पास. Just getting it. Just one second. I'm getting it. So the army who knew me from before, so she came up to her and she's like, you know what? You have to be a little bit more respectful. So she's like, Arey, I'm just calling the waiter. She actually thought I was the waiter, and I was fine with it, because I always tell them, if anybody asks who the owner is, she's not here. She is not here. The owner is not here. Okay, she is the owner outside this cafe. When I'm in the cafe, I work like my chefs do, my colleagues do, or whoever, the cleaner does, the waiter does, whatever it is, I do everything that I can do. मैं बाथरूम भी साफ़ करती हूँ वहाँ के, मैं रोज़ सुबह आके झाड़ू भी लगाती हूँ. I don't expect a guy like, मैंने किसी स्पेशली किसी को रखा नहीं है टू क्लीन दिस, क्योंकि जब ये ओनर का टैग मिल जाता है ना एंड देन यू सर्व ना, अलग हो जाता है. Till then they were all so, you know, mingling with me, they were talking to me, they were reviewing the food, they were telling me कि अरे बहुत अच्छा जगह है ये, you're so lucky to work here, and I was like yay and all that. But then as soon as she came to know, like she did not even give me a smile after when she was leaving. I was like nah, that's not done. तो वो embarrassing वहाँ पे हो गया था कि I did not want anybody to know that I was the owner. 안녕하세요 사랑해 보라해. So now she's always like Hajima Hajima. Insta pe I got a message from BTS Mumbai. They messaged me and they were like, oh, we saw your post on Love Carnival, you guys are back. I was like, yes, we are. Like, we'll try our best to come. Even if we don't come on, you know, the Festa days, we'll definitely come. So that was like good. I did not know ki, like, you know, getting featured in Carnival can get me attention of like BTS Mumbai. It's big for me. The achievement happened. Which was, actually it happened on a very busy day. At 4 o'clock I got a call from a reporter from Mumbai Mirror, and she's like, you know, I would like to do a feature Bangtan ka in our newspaper. I was like, really? She's like, yeah. I was like, okay, fine, no problem. So ask away whatever you want to ask. So I'm very good in phones. सामने सामने जब तक बात मतलब आंखों से आके नहीं मिलाना ना, तब तो I can speak. तो I just gave, like, I was actually serving people food and I was giving her the interview. I just opened this, and the next day I did not even, I thought she was kidding. Like, the next day I actually got up early and I went to the newspaper stand. I was like, दिखा यार paper दिखा यार आया कि नहीं देखती हूँ, and it did. And I don't know, I was like, this is my first time coming on a paper. So I was very happy. मजा आया मुझे. Oh my God, thank you. मेरे को अभी कोई पूछेगा ना, thank you. मेरे को अगर कोई पूछेगा ना कि इंटरव्यू तो मैं घबराऊंगी नहीं पहली बात तो. It's like, और प्रिपेयर तो कभी नहीं करूँगी. अरे तो मैं यहाँ पे बैठ जाती हूँ ना. हाँ. लाइट चालू कर.